That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Ŋdi Wɔna medo izona mi va Ewenyigba Ŋdi Wɔna ƒe gɔmedzeƒe Tony Magbo enya gawo izɔto na mi akpedam na mi be mi gatsi Ewenyigba TV abe TV ke gbɔnɔ ge miana ŋdi ya yine ge miakplɔ ke tso fia va se ɖe gawo baleke mione da nya wona dza gɔme kple ŋse do amenya ɖeka ke mi gazɔna ɖe ŋgɔ gakpɔna nu kawoe nye nyadzɔdzɔ yiwo ke nye nyadzɔdzɔ tso miaƒe ŋutɔ me miaƒe dukɔ eve viwo yiwo ke le xixewo kpasiakpa nya aɖewo ka mi ba wotso gbe yawoe miekpɔna la ke ne migazɔ ɖe ŋgɔa mikpɔna nyadzɔdzɔ yiwo ke Ghana dukɔ katã kple nyɔnuviwo yiwo le xixea katã me katã glogodo ke ganyifona mi dzona nyawo me nenematsotso egbatɔ gaɖɔ ge ba be dzi made kple race stitches tɔwo be wotɔ ya na me do fe ma xe race stitches le power house le ho Frajet Hotel gbɔ tututu ne eyi BNI Junction ne bia ma ƒe mɔta ƒe nye dɔmegã yi ke le race stitches ƒe dɔwɔƒea ŋu ne enye ŋutsu alo nyɔnu yi ke awu gbati dzi miado awu gbagbe dzi miado mɔzɔwuiwo esrɔ̃ɖewuiwo atsɔɖowuiwo kamedewuiwo awu yi ke woate ŋu atɔ koa ya tɔ ne tɔwu nɔ kpɔtsɔtsɔ menɔna ŋuti me da akpe nɛ beta akpe ne miaƒe ƒotsitsi me tsia ŋutɔ me ƒe sewɔtakpe ha menɔla Honorable Richmond de Kofi Potosu be hã le megbe na mi kple gavi aɖe meda akpe ne mi va dze race stitches kple bola herbal clinic tɔwo katã be wo le mia gbɔ ke ɖo ŋku dzi be Ewenyigba TV le Facebook na yi le Facebook ne kpɔ mi le Facebook like share and comment nenema miwɔna le Facebook ma like share and comment ke ɖewo dzolɔlɔ dumedzinyenye denyigba kple degbea lɔlɔ eɖe fia ɖo ŋku dzi be xegbe dona ta ne se mia ŋkɔ ɖeka megakpɔm na wo krɔ dzi fia be ʋawoe nye like share and comment nenema miwɔna program ale ma ke mada akpe ne mi katã be mi tsi kpɔ be yewo dzi mi le ehoe Ewenyigba TV le ho Polytechnic okpa yi ke woyɔna be Jim Fuga Hostel ta ne va Jim Fuga Hostel ne mia dzi ŋkɔ miakpɔ be vavãtɔ ge ɖe mia dzi eyi sia ɣi ne nyaƒo ga andre kekeka va yina fie nye ga andre miɔ mi le tɔ ta ge ɖe mia dzi ale be miakpe ɖe ŋu kple bubludodo miakpe ɖe ŋu kple adzɔdonyawo miakpe ɖe ŋu kple ganyawo ŋusianu yi ke enye bubludonya alo nyadzɔdzɔ kakaƒe ƒe dɔwɔna ko miwɔnɛ le asigblẽtɔ kekea ke dzi ta megasesẽno be nayɔ mia alo na ate ɖe mia ŋuti o. Alright ke gamesu be miayi ɖe wɔnawo gbɔ miadze gɔme kple miaƒe ŋusẽdoame nya the quote of the day ye mitsɔ ge atsɔ adze wɔna gɔmee ta miayi ɖe miaƒe TVwo dzi miakpɔ quote of the day mexlẽ nɛ ɖe English gbemegba ke ne mewɔ vɔ megatrɔ kpɔnɛ ɖa le mia degba me ke ne miwɔ vɔ miaxɔ dometsutsui kpui aɖe megadzo le TVa gbɔ ne mi xɔ dometsutsui kpui ma o alabe wo katã wonye dɔwɔkpa aɖe ta ne mi xɔ dometsutsui kpui ma miaxɔ gbedeasi tso ame yiwo ke le megbe na mi kple ga gbɔ ale be mia azɔ ɖe ŋgɔ akpɔ nyadzɔdzɔawo ɖa. So that's exactly how we do our show today. Okay, Me, I don't have a motivational message, but let's go to our motivational message very briefly. Welcome to the transmission. This is Ewenyigba TV's morning edition of shows, and our motivational message should be on the screen by now. Leadership is the capacity to transform vision into reality. Leadership is the capacity to transform vision into reality. Warren Bennis. All right, star. Me kpɔn me TV ɔdze nye miaƒe Ewenyigba leadership. Ŋgɔgbenɔnɔ. Leadership. Ŋgɔgbenɔnɔ is the capacity to transform vision into reality. Ŋgɔgbenɔnɔ enye ŋutete yi ke mitsɔ trɔna miaƒe ŋkpɔkpɔ wova zuna ŋudzɔdzɔwo alo ŋutete yi ke miatsɔ atrɔ miaƒe ŋkpɔkpɔ alo tamesusuwo wova do ŋuti na yie nye ŋgɔgbenɔnɔ. Le ŋku ɖe ŋu be menye leader ye miegblɔ, menye alo be leader Ghana ƒe political leader nye Mahama. Togo ƒe political leader nye Yasingbe for Yadema. America ƒe leader nye Trump. Me leader gblɔ mi lo. Leadership ŋgɔgbenɔnɔ. Leaderwo wonɔna ŋgɔgbe. Ŋgɔgbenɔlawo nɔna ŋgɔgbe. Gake menye ŋgɔgbenɔla ɖe sia ɖe le ŋgɔgbe o. Ŋgɔgbenɔla aɖewo tsi megbe. Le kpɔɖeŋu me ne mi va miaƒe tsɔtsi habɔbɔwo me, nunɔla yi ke le afi ma yi ke yɔm le be osɔfoa ye nye leader alo ŋgɔgbenɔla. Gake ŋgɔgbenɔla ta tsi megbe le wo susu me, atsi megbe le wo agbegɔmesese me, atsi megbe le ɖokuibɔbɔ me, atsi megbe le dzigbɔɖi me, atsi megbe le nugɔmesese me, atsi megbe le detsɔle me, atsi megbe le amanɔnɔ me, atsi megbe ne kpɔmatɔ ame siwo ƒe agba ɖeke nye. Ye ne kpɔ ŋkɔ, dzodzo le yewo hã me anɔ dzrom elabe atsi megbe. Ta mi gbemimi la menye mi ƒu tso leaderwo ŋu, gake leadership ŋu mi ƒu tso. Mi ƒu tso ŋgɔgbenɔnɔ ŋuti. Efia be ne be anye ŋgɔnɔla na amewoa, ke dze be nanɔ ŋgɔgbe na wo hã. Ne be anye nunɔla, edze be nanɔ ŋgɔgbe na wo hã. Mata gblɔ be anye nunɔla ye mele ŋgɔgbe tsi megbe o. Le wo susu me tsi megbe, le wo nunya me tsi megbe, le wo nuwɔna amewo. Mi tso kpɔna ƒe dɔwɔƒe, me ke nye dɔtatɔa ye nye leader. Gake ame ma ɖohi mata nye lead. You may be the leader of the organization, but you may not be in leadership. Fia be ŋusianu dzɔdzɔme agbena ke me sem. Eŋuwo miame tom no. Eŋuwo tewo tom gawo bubum. Eŋu fitifitiwo zim. Yiwo ke ewo yi ke ɖokui yɔm be leader, yi me naneke me sem na. Ta kpi ɖe koa, leadership is transformational. And leadership is visionary. And leadership is realistic. So a leader is somebody that has the ability to transform vision into reality. So if you can do this, then you are a leader. Ta aƒeme aro yɔ nyɔnua krabonua ye nya mari ke mkpɔkpɔ le shi. Ifanyigba la, itu xɔ la, ɖeviwo tsitsim la, ifanyigba la, itsitsim la, itu xɔ la. Nyɔnua ye ŋkpɔ. Ŋutsua kpo gaɖeko tsiwo na allow me to do skeva mu. Amega xoxo fo blane vɔtɔ. Anɔ fɔkpa ye ƒle ŋdzi sia dzi. Nyɔnu be ɖi afɔkpa ye ƒle game mi tsotso kpe. Ta nyɔnua nane kpɔm. Ke yo ŋua kpɔm ʋuu yo tso kpla wo na tso ŋuti ko mi ke nye ƒe ŋkpɔkpɔ. Eva trɔ ŋkpɔkpɔ va zu eŋudzɔdzɔ alo eŋu yi ke do ŋuti na. Ta ŋkpɔkpɔ ma no mia ŋgɔnɔnɔ menɔna anyi. Ta ne nye dɔwɔƒe, even abe dɔwɔla abe nyi le fia nyadzɔdzɔ kaka la me nyi. Ne ŋkpɔkpɔ gbatsa me le asi me. Ke nana kamali ke meminyamo tade ne nwa minyage ene minyaevo ke ejagba true wadon chila ta mie kata mia don se mia kan ya kple nya jojo nya ya nya chi ya jo Warren Bennisbo ba amayi ko gang pogba shiara kan chi do mo o mo vanyina amayo ka wondo wara ko like bamo. Leadership is the capacity to transform vision into reality. Warren Bennis. Leadership is the capacity to transform vision into reality. So get your vision up your vision, raise your vision, and get ready to do something meaningful, something great with the opportunity of life that we have. Chopla, Arab Najaruba Haya won't differ. Lamonk boy, Nyaw la nani ben yava beham. No chuna dash when I wear. No one nga. We no bag. We no nanik am shame atem akafu that is leadership. So 0242670773 in your number can atem azako agoje plan 0242670773 in your number can atem acho ako a premianchi araba nia adwaje kana jibat ya gremiaji araba nya de bafanai nya adobugu nai alobe adojo premier atani yo number maha alo number yo ka kona la TV aji eshai. We are on air 24/7 and we have been running the 24-hour economy before its policy craft began. Tamio mi dowum ndi ndofie na elahu garamiaji le jimfuga hostel na echo ntobu warame alo echo tefobu wara garamiaji alawa nya akbaremu bublu dodoma. We are leaders in broadcasting in the Volta region and in our mother tongue. We are leaders in every broadcasting, trust me. We are leaders in television, and we have ability to transform your vision, our vision, into reality. Therefore, in Batibia, I'm going to allow him in Idongola Nderem. Nyajo Kakapoik, Natano, Amonko Samla Ghana, Togo, Benin, Nigeria, Paris, Hikakatagodo, Nyanko Samla YouTube, and Nyanko Samla Facebook, all at the same time. Nyajo Johanya, Nyajo Pachi, Nyajo Dujo, Yokunya Nyate, Koto, Yokochumia Contom. Nkatia de Tongo, so the Toyo, Kajima Fianabia, Akbokatania Bole. When Batibia and Gobana Okatachu, Naka, Isienieva, Itanya Pio, Ujabanialo, Alo, Dolo Miano, Arabiano. Emio Uncle Jacako, Isakata Sonko. Ta don't give a Ashisha Chabu, Madonia Babu. Ta and Yanko Sama, Branyachi Alo, Yakberamo, Bla, wo Ajodonia Okata. Yo, Afogandre, in a TV at Don, Gamasuba, Mavaho, Badashi. So, Nya, where Magbadao, Milkachoga, let them Alomana Messenger, which are the woman. Bo, Alway Mitrova, Niagara, Yakonton, Yajon, Tamagacho TV, and Bo, Yabana.
Oh! No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary, I can't so fi. Passé K. No silence ever English dictionary. standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can the basic level. And you know American SHS. And you know American university. Allo the language you want. Then you make a maneuver view. And be a strong but praha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know how. I must make a never view mutual rapport. And be a strong but baha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nala dile was so mad than a player. I place order le Amazon. Allo number I can follow screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can also. But if you see African la, you call no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua coveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you Tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506. Looking to ship products.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyongo kplentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go.
Oh, what the? Let's go do it.
Oh, very much. Bà đã quên làm đồ cái tụi bụi. Ta nhớ too much right toy. Bộ nhớ warm rất là killer.
Oh.
Những mà vật phẩm. Những mà thằng mà thùng. Mà nó chỉ có bộ luôn.
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katikwane Boye awa. Basi hasbena didila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya nkuranwa. Wala pasi ko nya ko katara ge.
Bo. Bueno, chico,
vai batakalo sugo. Ita biga dada sikremon tonto. Wala pati ko wa busielo wetofira.
Ire vola togbo. Ye no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no ple. Na zama. Fiva na kama furaga na. Mashama na zin.
Nyapa todo wala todo fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nya toma toro ha. Woza vola chika fofo jijila ama.
This vola piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Ma una ira vola to. Ona una masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pa mala akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamni da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa badashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512-1450.
Bola, bola, bola.
Nina nemiayi, bola basenta. Afima mia pota yola, nyadeba bola.
If you follow, I probably le food now. I le food now. Don't do the food now. I cheat the padaka. Put on my kata. Mele don't want you to. I did my colonoba. I le full of heba center. You can let them go upload. Victoria Paka. I feel like a photo. What to come? What put on? What come? What come to Dokata? Vola heba center. Dr. Prosper Deveneva. Come on. Vola.
Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle.
Ni la Ewenyigba TV bo. Alaji body man wa hodo muchuchu kima hetrova. Tony man boy enya nya plum le Ŋdi Wɔna me. Gaga masuba mi aje mi afa wona ogome mi ako nya jiro gba ze mi chona ko da wona come BoyeTuesday.com. BoyeTuesday.com news. Enya jiro gba ze ka mi na ako aje wona gome don ku di BoyeTuesday.com news ni license newspaper. This is by the Magbana la ho. Tisna chantomo kia. Nyaka nichu aba de siga bana nya ofo akata. Ble mi ameoke se de ni gbagba. Da mi pona nkawenye nya ole fuma. Ke mi chofuma nya Africa today anya kwa dona ro leke. The number 2 to me got battle the matter. Me akpo headlines walo ni opejo chombe whole day. Yeah. All right. First big story there. Apenyo marking sues Gemfee over explosive extortion claim. Apenyo marking sues Gemfee over explosive extortion claim. Apenyo marking close Sami Gemfee call it alo sama Sami Gemfee, that should be the expression. Apenyo marking Sami Gemfee samam elave we sebe Sami Gemfee fon foro yoko fo ba yenyak plan hola lo plan lula ekpaton fon ko alo fo die fon ko da nyama enya jojo drani odomotore kare yike le miagbo afia nukpokogara na fugani. Sami Gemfee has been sued by Apenyo marking Bonpo. Sami Gemfee Bonpo Apenyo marking Nukogblem Nanama Ujejemima. So that's what we have there. Convoy nabbed at Whole Powerhouse. Convoy nabbed at Whole Powerhouse. Contraband suspicion. Convoy nabbed at Whole Powerhouse. Contraband suspicion. Ule ganga gujura ka de karaka bu abo ome andre choi kawai la Whole Powerhouse ke termian chafiako. Alo okwesebe vuyo dagbaro alo ocho nano yoke onye gbanfon alo onye nyo keji ruma dashrejo. The contraband suspicion convoy nabbed at Whole Powerhouse. That is a big story over here. Contraband good ide kwenye contraband good kwenye agbaike jidudu agbavon. Yeah, agbavon agbaike jidudu madashi rejiwe wo acho. So that is a contraband good. Ke a choy ke ba ya ufoba ga wo bla fina a bulobolobo fono no tatalma o jege ti biaji mi akpopire reka nye Nigeria vu ave nye Ghana ʋu alo nɔmba yi ke le ʋua dzi gblɔm mi le. Eʋua ɖeka ƒe nɔmba edzedzem abe Nigeria nɔmba ene. Eʋua ɖeka ƒe nɔmba dzedzem abe Ghana ƒe nɔmba ene. Ale be eʋu ene mamlɛa woƒe nɔmbawo dzedzem abe Benin ʋu ene. Ale be eʋuawo tso Nefitro, kernel shells, palm kernel shells, enefi, no zi nefi, emi le be mi zi nefi duna. Ta mi tso kpe zi nefi ya etro ya ke enefia ƒe tro alo ele kpe do gawu nefi, gawu ya ke enefia dodo ma ye ƒe nya gblɔm le. Yewo be wode ɖe ʋua me gake kpovitɔwo yiwo ke kpɔna eʋuwo ƒe zɔzɔ dzi le míaƒe mɔdodo dzi, MTT tɔwo, BNI yenye Bureau of National Investigation, ame yiwo ke nye adzame numekulawo, wo hã kpakple Assembly yenye Whole Municipal Assembly tɔwo wonɔ afi ma tsɔ menɔ bɔbɔe o. Ale be me sia me nɔ yewo dɔ wɔm. MTT ditɔwo be susu katã si eʋu yawo tso kaɖi gbogbowo yiwo ke monye kaɖiwo ke le ʋuawo ŋuti le wo dada ƒe dzizi o, tsɔ de ʋua ŋuti ɖe hã woawo ƒe kuxie ma. Ta tsɔ ma nɔ wona electricianwo kple ame yiwo ke nye ʋu ŋuti fitavi ma wofo kaɖi ma ɖe kaɖi ma katã le ʋua ŋuti. Because le Ghana medze se be ame aɖe natso kaɖi gbogbo anɔ keklẽm atsɔ de ʋua ŋuti. Ne wogbɔna womenya ne ʋu ye gbɔna alo meli ye gbɔna alo Fada Christmas alo ŋukpekpe zã ye va ɖe sirika dzi o. Eʋu kaɖi ve nɔ si. Ta MTT ditɔwo ƒe nya ma kple ame ʋua kum ɖe lasesi le wo sia wonye ʋukulawo tso fika hã woawo ƒe tɔe ma. BNI tɔwo be yewo bui be wotso agbavɔ ɖo wotso nefia tsɔ da ɖe dzi. Woƒe nyawo sugbɔ fũu eɖewo nye be nefigba yiwo tsɔna yiwo nya ɖo wolɔna nefiawo kɔna ɖe ʋua me abe aleke wokɔna ke wolɔna ke kɔna ʋu me ene. Wo hã woƒe nyae ma. Ke ale ke woble ŋuawo kple kotoku, wotso kotoku gbã eŋua ɖewo dzia yewo mese gɔme ta wo me kum ta tsɔ wo ɖo asi ʋua dzi. Ale be fi mi ɖo ne numekuku nye be woxɔ se be edze be ʋua natrɔ ayi ɖe kpovitɔwo ƒe kpɔ me. Ale be woakum woage ɖe ʋua katã me akpɔ ɖa be nyateƒe nefigbawo tsɔ hã. Ke ame yi ke nɔ wo ŋu alo agbakɔla alo ame yi ke agbatɔ ame yi ke dzedzem abe nye gbatɔ ekɔ nye kute efo ŋu tsɔ. Ke tsi ɖe kɔ gbɔgblɔm be yewo tso Benin la ƒo va to Segbe bɔda. Ta Segbe yewo to hafi va ho. Ke yewo to ʋua wova bi ɖe Adakplomɔ dzi. Ta woto Segbe va to Trafaga mɔ dzi aƒlawu va eʋu ƒe mɔ dzi hebi ɖe Adakplomi ye na kpovitɔ be eʋu gã lɔbɔ yawo womata nye ʋu yiwo ke anɔ mɔ ya dzi tome. Eʋu gã yawo megbedede ke le ʋua si be nɔ zɔ tso Benin me. Nigeria ʋu ɖeka alo Nigeria nɔmba le ʋu dzi, Ghana nɔmba me eve. Mikpɔ ʋua ƒe nɔmbawo ɖa. Mikpɔ ʋua ƒe nɔmbawo ɖa. Nigeria ʋu ɖeka le fi ma. Eƒe nɔmba nye AAA 516XS. Registered from Lagos Center of Excellence. Enye nɔmba ɖeka ele mia gbɔ. Ke Nigeria nɔmba, Ghana nɔmba, eʋu yiwo ke Ghana ƒe nɔmba le wo sia wowoe nye yiwo. GW 5640 W, GW 5640W. Ihe nye Ghana nɔmba. Ihe nye ʋu lɔbɔwo dometɔ ɖeka. Ke Vurekade, Vuarekai, ihe ganye Ghana number. Alo Ghana number leji. Yo o number lenye. Just a second. GM 248913. GM 248913. Ihe anye Ghana for number. Ta vuyo kenye Ghana for number oma veima. Ke Beni number le kanye 805568. 805568. Le kanye AV 4897. AV 4897. Nakpo RB, la Federal Republic of Benin. Hello, Benin Republic. Republic du Benin. Or the Benin have, I say, you know what I mean. Karakahanye BN 8215. BN 8215. RB. Lam Jabe Benin Republic. Yo cho. Non tata kak banaza cho do yenye MTD to o so o bore vanchi ke akpo nyong ware kaya ne le huko anokpom na le powerhouse na le Trafalgar anu sokode esia yo no na siriki ajita amamo la wo le yellow me onye provito son na ma ko tri wora moto cho aba executive guard ka ye na re ideal college lofo ke ugbogbrombe lo mo sa gba ogomo ta le toji ala abale ka Ewenyigba TV le na mio mi cho nya jo ke cho mi on to ma cho do na le abo vota o pashakpa na washu ke mi on to ke nya jo ma ju de ma ke wo on to de ma juro be nya jo do ko na twi ta mi le toji mi anye chi ke milione nga le agbama ala api fiema na be aro mi akpora ba o da shifu on chilo alo o le hua bale ko gbene amagara degba hua hua yore o chi hodo ala ba ndia hua mogano fi ke opakoro ndia hua mogano fi ke opakoro ikenya powerhouse hua kata flimo nocho me traffic view ke de do fiaba o kamu kata mahuo now assembly to over transport union over your wa permit so your permit kele washi we bile nyaka bana ke ho afi che tenchu diale oba nyanye bla nke na fi wucho amoma o vugalo boyo moganji highway moganji mikmona yo lako wo fi nyabe bitlin kona melina to aba bi aba to powerhouse abe ina daku oba yo ina the free zones enclave free zones area le tema ke obi obanka o ne pia choga robo ina dragon ne bakle lao bozane ko na double free zones enclave. So that's that convoy nabbed that whole powerhouse over contraband suspicion. A coordinated security operation at powerhouse off the Hoadaklu highway led to the impoundment of 7 long-haul trucks on Monday, 24th August at about 10:30 in the morning, after intelligence suggested the vehicles could be masking illicit cargo beneath heaps of palm kernel shells. The exercise was executed jointly by the operatives of the Bureau of National Investigations, the Police Motor Traffic and Transport Department, and officials of the whole municipal assembly. The convoy comprised a 516 excess registered vehicle in Lagos, Nigeria, GM 248913 and GW5640W, both in Ghana, and AT556 is RBAV 4897RB, BN 72715 RB, and CA2109RB, all from the Republic of Benin. The trucks entered Ghana through the Segbe border and were distinguished for free zones enclave in Tema. Martin Cotton, who led the team of drivers, told interrogators the movement was a routine commercial shuttle to supply industrial buyers. Municipal enforcement officers mounted immediate document verification, scrutinizing customs endorsements and entry permits while questioning the choice of corridor for such bulk haulage. Personnel of the MTTB also cited flagrant roadworthiness breaches, including the affixing of unapproved high lumen fabrication lamps across the fascia of several of the loaded long vehicles, a modification deemed hazardous and non-compliant. Security officials indicated the trucks would be escorted to their base for systematic de-staffing and forensic examination to authenticate the driver's claim. According to Martin Cotton, the consignment contained only palm kernel shells for processing and no concealed contraband. The BNI, however, maintains that laboratory analysis would establish the veracity of the declaration before they are released. The operation reflects heightened surveillance along the eastern frontier, where agro-commodity cover is increasingly exploited for irregular cross-border haulage, which investigators expected to determine whether the incident warrants prosecution for smuggling or traffic violations or administrative sanction. That's from Boye News Desk. Far back, that's a big story yesterday. Mila told you, no, I job above your Alabe Amagarabo, Nana Kamalamanamo, Kofiaba Dogata Povito, or Chokata Assemblyman, Onogata, Magama Gokata, Machokatazo, Fia. Mila told you, Misaga. Misaga Kuku, I feel Bana Wumlo Chons. Alabe, a Wado Yatefa, Nephi Jabama, Nephi Kra, Kakara Ponchi, of Omagbakata, of Wado. Kotoku jam fertilizer kotoku yo ba amamako buaro ha kotoku ko gbanwon ji apoba nefila yama o kotoku ko gba nefi ajita kotoku fongu ga ba kere nefinchi akoko se banana la mato ko na snifa doctor man mi aso abuyo kana no chizam no ya fogo ngako oje blavuvo ja charo ko achabo ro ha bo be okpo na na le miama abumo mo le miacho ta o nkuba choma MTTD to nya yo blo na nkwenye ba over ema kunwe ama banya jojo kakala ikagmara nkuga over yo kadi gbogbo yo ko chira bo nchia ye ko ramule dana kunya jojo bana no tata que la puma con kwenye bana ocho de kaje moko na puma ulama yo ono ngoma pun blio akpobe amare un foam na no foam le bwan ofu wa pa engine ofu engine aji o foam go padreji cardio clean maba boma o anya fe ta over sell nenema esela gara na mia momenyo manye furonamo esela gana be magachu kadi vovovo aba chire fu anchina kwa gbono manye nko nya gbono oguko kare vona no moni no pe ko bo bia gbona na moto gbona kare kana no nkwamene onya ba moto gbona e kan bia kare kana nkwama albo mo bana chire yama albo no jeje wa 3 tricycle da kare kana no nkwama la nyiba kare kale abajuovo ta yongbo enye karia ajuovo le tamene ni pepo yama kekenya lo mama kangule gbona ovu ya karia fona no la nyiba abejiji omo fana no te atara ma ta leke benito do chono wo fo kemu glam discotheque vu ya o lo boro ya kata yo meta ya yo to yima emba wow kemi atokuma ke license de bo sie dao fiaba ko as license kwa nyaroli bambata na yo pa magan yo kele beta nga border ojo te da shonchi wo garam ko yo fodo wasoro pema ke BNI Bureau of National Investigation ya kpovito do ko lo jere kayo kenye mmapulo ama mano umo ahe amono kishi umo yo ko una ma that you see just take it out BNI that the word is BNI Bureau of National Investigation to what we were no they had a tip off. All right, so those are the things we have there. A little bit about steel. Ngu galak bana ma palo ma blago ngu laf ma. Na unto na jim na khlan di ba be kula ka fine. Ku ka to na taida hoide.com. Alo na scan QR code ka jamo TV aji na cho o phone ko scan ko ka choga ko ina ba. All right, mi jokbo fuma ayi de anyabubua de bo echo muntaka mubarak Mohammed Kenye interior minister. He spoke yesterday alawa o na udo nyarong to ame oku to akoda danyaume election killings 25 stand trial 13 others remain wanted. Election killings. So, America wamo le akodai. America wamo la akodai. Alors, America offer no na opla afodo do na ba amoku la kodo yomi davaima. Fanya ona mienya we yofi tofi aloro fofotane Minister for the Interior. Be wona yonya nke amoyao. The minister Pongcho, Bidokoba, I'm a black of voton, woe, yo, her either Bongaro from them. The Manano Trafiare or Logaka. Yeah, that's what we have. Kobama Yeto, Oshi, O Jeep. All right. The Interior Ministry has reported major gains in the fight against narcotics, election-related violence, and irregular migration. A total of 217 people have been arrested and 165 prosecutions initiated as part of operations by the National Narcotics Control Commission, NACOC. Minister for the Interior Muntaka Mohammed Mubarak disclosed during the Government Accountability Series, where he also outlined progress in the repatriation of migrant beggars, investigations into the 2020 and 2024 election-related killings, and the recruitment of personnel into Ghana's security services. And according to him, NACOC operations have resulted in the interception of more than 8.5 tons of narcotic drugs and 45.4 million tramadol tablets, highlighting the scale of the government's ongoing efforts to disrupt the illicit drug trade. The operations have also led to the recovery of 73 tainted assets, including more than 19 kilograms of gold seized in suspected drug money laundering cases. And in addition, the Commission has restrained more than 6.9 million Ghana cedis and $440,000 in cash and other assets as part of investigations into suspected narcotics-related financial crimes. The minister said the figures reflect intensified efforts to tackle not only the trafficking and distribution of narcotics, but also financial networks that support illicit trade. Akbeve blave fue akodanya yoke jo akuaro wa jamaro akuho duaro wa tumiwo amaro ku la ko kemi demi 2020 2024 ta ako kemi dai ke nana do dan ko kuho do wa jiji velia bla yi kemi gada ke nan mia ko du ko plola jom damara mia ma pa jiji pa nya gbonyi alawa bira ko oba amo ko kukunyo sasana ya de joma kaje yo baraba jidudu do ko ke po covid do ko nya yo fa do alba me yo ke bu ko no to o fa e ji fa pamba ji runa na wo alo ji do ko ke nya se do fa na no ke pi ko ba me bla fo boton e yo ke inda bo mes menini ke o le tu haro aro me ke vong de baro trafia lo wunya mu ke ba me o yi mo haro na sa pa me ka ba me bla boton e mo in ka mo ye ton shi lo bo mo po lo na yo lo mu ta ka nya o yi ji o bi nya we fun ame yo ke ba tele on security ame yo ke ba fun ji ka pin computer me fia si yo ke ta du ko mo tum arabo o la ka cha chama kula maro o ya me network alo bogangi apro no yo cho ta du ko mo la por mo Nigeria ava gana ba no manya ga manya tamu nya ko du ko ma o kata o la ba yo ta mo sha on and on and on. So details always it's a well detailed report, trust me. And Najim Nakhala, you just have to go to BoyeTuesday.com and get this for yourself. All right, going back to your friend Diona, Tony McBoye from 0242670773 in your number because I'm a call at your own pattern. 0242670773 is a number. Aloyana Papu Jashika Nathan Ato Agara Kama Clean. Baby still missing as June flood death toll hits 39. Baby still missing as June flood death toll hits 39. Over the Viarabu, the Viaragabubun Coco. A chica da mola June, a chica da mola June, baby still missing as June flood toll death toll hits 39. That's another interesting thing. A chica da mobile, a chigare jalagana, you know what I mean? And a damo fine. Like into a manobobu, a chiwamo, Chisina Tome, Central region, the Western Ashanti region, Katachiwam, even water region, Matman. Like a fika one, Kenyan Chilla Queen, Uber, the Fiara, Galabubu, who was a fisher. Amaneni ke ku le chimapa ma chigoro panyama ma lo me ni ke ku le masofa yenye am blaton bo sheke babana me chame ke bue pa lolo toare le chikwe amale le panyama o fa lu bona jolen chofa me ke nyai ke ga fotere yin ye en kuona ngata bo ba de yarabu na de yarabu to le mai mama se yare ke le ko ga yakwe ne yakwe yo ko manyinyora anyway kaka we are sorry about that. Okay, want to miss MPP chairmanship bid moves forward from prison. Want to miss MPP chairmanship bid moves forward from prison. Onami have want to me ba chogban be alo na chogban rete fo be yanye shimanola ne MPP le kana kata grogodo ta alle prison gaka agbaram alle pielo gaw alle prison gaka agbaram marbo bekra ta want to me for bale ero MPP to bo alo MPP to ko ida baba o chogban want to me ba o to bo want to me is a prisoner of conscience, or is a political prisoner. Prisoner of conscience. Prisoner of conscience. San chan do ba menya prisoner of conscience ade ba ya mare ke ipe jichina to bobu alo ni ke je o sa to bona to ramata a chofro first seeking pain. Ramata a chofro versus alo seeking pain. So lie. So one to me is a prisoner of conscience according to the NPP. Ta manya America wula tuo nyo. So na anya manya me ko la tuo ka fiaba na o ubeya not as chairman, of course he will be allowed. He will be allowed. That's how it looks. Elabe manya he was jailed vicariously. He was jailed vicariously. If you have a demo of a yesuene, they are a bubu comforter. Makurota, be yesuene. Ya melo bena makure no vinyo tako. E marum kwa buchi ya oho for haraji. Ta ema do kurota do li de mo reno viota ta no via ke gana se kum le yo anyigba me alo ji kwa ngba ko choni be na cho ku kam se no na cho kusika ita oli according to apunye makinya ma lawyer me yo gbogbo ma e se me me apunye makimbe no kanyigba na mo na ku gana mse na kushika ye orashia maranchi be amama na va do ene da anyigba ma menye do cho anyigba mana ma ba amama na va kushika ele sembe no now anyigba na ku galamse na kushika o micho galamse ko kamlo no now anyigba na kushika jidu fo sekle ro e pro gala anyigba ma yi ta na kushika bo ye anyigba gblen ha ta cho do ma ro contract mana mo bubu arbanka na va zro anyigba ji alo anyigba na ku wa to aro da fa ji ke won tu mi cho shika nyigba shika ku nyigba ike wo glo ike mo de duru sama boy na ron ku jala nya jo ma re ba o ba chi damu la sama boy ala bo mo no bo de shika ku futa de won tu mi fa shika ku futa aka won tu mi be ga ba cho do na ma bubu araba na ba do enye chira nyigba ji ya mama ba galanse kumle magara ba yo kushika nwe uzu ya ro ga chikona ro ma na do ma siare ta ha kule fa boy so ba no kum galanse ya manya ka chuma ye mala sama boy egbe sama boy a western region want to me to Ashanti region Ashanti to matonya la ka no na genji gere ala ba gatoga onye ala ba yo do fu fa ta no fa wole ta nya wenye Ashanti icho ivalege ifo shikaku do fa le sama boy ye kushika le sama boy ye anyigba gbana asagba na reclaim anyigba lo na gbona zro anyigba ji ye nto e dungba ba no kata chi de gbeto ipopo gero e cho contract na ma ama ba galanse kenya biamulo e be kuntu mi de gbogbo be manya na na kecho shika akumola nji o akpa ma ofo mto ma untu me be manya o bomba nya ta na o chonyi gba no ha ne twena mabubu bo na ku galamse a enye saji dada untu mi fesa nya lo gbogbo mba ye ma chonyi gba na ma ba na ku galamse o ye chonyi gba na be na zro nyi gba aji na do na chi anyị gbaji na anyị gba na tro adami na nku chocho ta nya ya gromole ta gbogbo cho nya ko ire fo drope kokko iko nya ba appeal ko be no golen pre nya no da shi won to me no bele if ya ba ele ma bo di molo aka momo di ya fa na ni ko fa no ga no wo we re ga ale bo cho gagara ko de magbana nya no to go ba from ogbo ne bon drop e ka kokowu eya yi ka wonya na dan kunya me okora bare nya de le nya ha ma mama no mia wontu mia odi mora no biota alo wazu yesu kukumre no yaota ni biota vicarious judgment. All right, so want to me ha upon cover no digin le wi kakata ma mo ba no kafumba want to me la bankuma enya ma blefia kona re mo fo nya to nya ba kwa mi nkruma no prison o election obuji alo dogo bazo Ghana president ma blefia bo nya ma gbogbron be re mata want to me zo kuma alo want to me la bankuma la want to me a party petikitiji o domtwe nkuma Ghana kata ble menye mare de ko gaho liberation struggle ho independence afiazu du kokbola. These are two big different things, so the scale are not the same, but it's important that Ghanaians are aware that you can elect somebody from prison. That's what I said. Want to me Ochri, a political analyst, Dr. Jonathan Asante Ochri, but want to me's case cannot be equated or compared to the struggles of Nkrumah and Mugabe. So all these are angles to the story. But what we have to note is that Wontumi MPP's chairmanship Wontumi is making progress. Wontumi's MPP chairmanship bid moves forward from prison. And that's the headline we have right there. Okay, Nyazorango, 1 in 4 paternity tests in Nigeria turns negative. 1 in 4 paternity tests in Nigeria returns negative. Okay. 1 in 4 paternity tests in Nigeria returns negative. Yavutuko yikanya Garbania, nyajezo kakafa gadra nyare, aku arabo cho fang makukukule mi ke Europe cho dare do akatagbo. Ke kire kwa 1 in 4 paternity tests in Nigeria returns negative. A DW Africa report says 23.6% of paternity tests conducted by a Nigerian DNA testing company found no biological link between the man tested and the children. 23.6% of paternity tests conducted by a Nigerian DNA testing company found no biological link between men tested and children. La Nigeria du koma DW alo Deutsche Welle alo DW Deutsche Welle ne ajuju kapu ikecho Germany ikata mi se DW tudum onye nya ajuju kapu ga ikata le de even eyo do volta star na don kujia eyo do volta star le ho afi over Veduko Agbendinami for na Chegoma. Mino Yovuaro for some winning on your bedon to Mochima on Yajo Blompu Afi never say on our program Japan TW Deutsche Welle Ocho German. Can me some who never fear Kukumbasana. Michone miase Volta Star Radio, yeah. So that's Deutsche Welle. Open Konga you think problem on that over Kumra Nigeria le Nigeria ne unchomene over do for a chiopo by your parabere upon a mechi sokbele la michikele efime okora be fia o fufuya ntu le ka le neshanema ocho via rekota tramdo nchi ikemenyo ofefio ekponade uma me ba ko upapa bebre ifanya gbomemele le Nigeria eviomen nesha viomene ke chachana ngba yim kwari de ka lo doma me gbomulo benye fufu amenye fufu evine shafi ne kele Nigeria shia ikatatam alo yike ochorako alo yike nunu yike ngongbogbomba etoenye ya evideka sha de kale nema oma nyawofufu. So that's big. Nearly 1 in every 4 paternity tests coordinated by a private DNA testing company in Nigeria returned negative results in 2025-2026, according to a DW Deutsche Welle Africa report. The report, citing data from Lagos-based Smart DNA Nigeria, said 23.6% of paternity tests conducted during the period found that the men tested were not the biological fathers of the children involved. The figure represents a slight decline from 24% recorded in the previous year and 26.1% in 2023, but remains a notable proportion of the tests carried out by the company. However, Smart DNA caution against interpreting the findings to mean that nearly 1 in every 4 Nigerian children has a biological father different from the one who believes he is the father. The company explained that its clients are not a random sample of Nigeria's population. Rather, they are people who have specific reasons for seeking DNA tests, meaning the results cannot be applied to the entire Nigerian population. And according to the DNA report, 87% of tests were private peace of mind tests rather than tests required for court proceedings or immigration purposes. Men accounted for nearly 79% of inquiries, highlighting their dominant role in initiating requests for paternity verification. All right, so element am the cash am the kaikala man Nigeria mono fufu manya na malemo ala mamanya do yo dui be yo adam fu Nigeria katamo akpara bana na malo le mo kaka yo ko do yo mi yo le ko do fishi to cho oba yo carriage we yo vionya ya do ma he ji de biara de bia ko mu na la bubu if yo mu la so bo wo mu la bubu le yo ko ta la ba wo ta ma la ba if yo ko mu bo la glaja bo bo la glaja mata kwa marubo yo bora bari ye chocho ye vienye alomo ni ye vienye ta nya yo ko dare to agbo me nya nya ko no ndure na ja to bo ala ba manya do yo dwibe yo wuto aru peji akaka ya na ja kata ne yo dwibe yo di to mo be yo jija me sha ko bia me ko fu kra yo manya la ko wo ta ni ya sinya manji mi ka wo bomba na ja di le shara na ji ya ti le ka shara ka o le ne ma omunye o jila o mi ga gbe na ma ko ala ma ba na na mo je ma ka mi ka gbe na ma ala ma ro jilo ko dale ko ga tenya. So that is not research one you know that they are not sampling from the population using proper sampling or research methods, no, but it's just an observation by a particular DNA by a particular laboratory, let me put it that way. All right, Apugani. Hello, my guy, Apugani Kra, me cheto son, Tamaba Pudumo Chuchu, Pialecho, Amelk, Damabana Buklaga, Namatrova, Nyasorango. Tony McBoy, Nyaklo.
No silence ever English dictionary. Yatepe. But see dictionary akara so afi e passe ke. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard yeah. And you know the view can le basic level. And you know American le SHS. And you know American le university. Allo le language on. Nenya make manya be view. E be a strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I'm a make nenya be view mo jura po. E be a strong be no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nela dile ko so mad na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Allo number can call screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the can WhatsApp. Afisi African la. Nya call no silence ever English dictionary. Akwa koveno. Akwa. No silence ever English dictionary. And you tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506. Looking...
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyongo kple ntuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi nine junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to Boye. I tell too much ready toy. Boye's kple.
Oh.
Never for fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, not to go.
That another Abraham, if you better kind of lay a party to Boye but the husband didn't know fear. Coco in a dinner for Ewenyigba, Yapon or Passy Brandy who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party for Yahokatara Gay.
When not to go,
Vavai, but I can also go. Itabica that is the Cremont on top. Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
Why you vola togbo? You man no Chicago, Mokung Jaja.
Vola chika no pla na zama fiva na kama furaga na mashama nazi
Nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fofo jijila ama
This vola piki. Vola baby.
Ma una yura vola to ona una masa
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa madashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
Vola
Nina ne miayi Vola eva senta Afima mia pota yola Nyateba Vola
If you follow, I probably left food now. I left food now. Don't do the food now. I cheat the Padaka. Put on my cata. Meleto one you do. I did my clonova. I left full of Heba Center. You can let them go upload. Victoria Parker. I feel like a photo. What to come? What put on? What come? Who come to Dokata? Vola Heba Center. Dr. Prosper Deveneva. Come on. Vola.
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de
mi afon kolokata ma dakona mi ba mi chia po ngba tibi abatibi ka bono re miala ndi siandi kai na bom onyonyum na kwa wa na mara na si da na mi akpom le Facebook alona ba kpom le Facebook share the link. Share the link. Share the link. Na kremianchi the YouTuber. Share the link. Share the link. Share the link. Na okay. Na jibe nyakberenchi na yakbo abembati bele ho. Olam ganto mafia nomba le TV ajina tayo alona yom ko nya jagba arawe nyakberengona na bomile TVG ta ji nomba mo le TV oji na yo do motor kako ke akpakparan kpoge na multi TV where decoder nyala shioko atem akpom na multi TV where decoder nyala shioko atam kpom alo decoder le share kana na logo station mo kata ojanako atakpom ta enyabe na multi TV nyala show de share alo na decoder ke nyala show le nyakpon na multi TV first channel moko nyatakparan dana yo number alaba me oke nya mchungwa over ke na la poma akbo Ewenyigba TV lo satellite le o multi TV G ke na iduma ha lo na monzo ma lo yagbo ha atachofu anomianko se nke ga nyoma 0242670773 in your number 0242670773 in your number kana tayo ishawe ke ma break ma so atajama harmo le gawo kple jivo fofofoma nyina maki atadem ya faje rome alawe nya akperemu number do ha ma le TV ya ji mokata ikanya je jango o chiko atayo alawe nya akperemu ke na semianko na nama hanase Ewenyigba TV beremto menyali bereka ko ru ma mino nyamiba emiba kore miba. All right, Africa today. Newly elected Assemblies of God Ghana Executive Presbytery officers call on President Mahama. Newly elected Assemblies of God Ghana Executive Presbytery officers call on President Mahama. Ghana Executive Presbytery officers. Wow. Ta ameo konya amaga yoke chodara hama maga ye yoko kodara Assemblies of God Assembly de for hama Église Assembly de Dieu for yagulo mene. Opo muloga o Ghana owa gare to kopla jondomani mama ji chobai. Alwe just a cat call yo dark bani alwe Mahama Antono of Presbytery ga utakbukba ga you go to chiamel so that is that mapositive winga mafuma ye mkumajeshi mamno general secretary Plato of the party are there. All right, what a picture mama. Okay, chiefs of Ablekuma seek alliance to foster peace and harmony ahead of Homo War. Chiefs of Ablekuma seek alliance to foster peace and harmony ahead of Homo War. Ablekuma fio where you know the car no de yoji. You know the Kakawanto of Homo Buinaru. Farah Doku Memorial Choir and North Tongue NDC Youth Wing to host vigil for late chairman CKT on September 3. Farah Doku Memorial Choir and North Tongue NDC Youth Wing to host vigil for late chairman CKT on September 3. Okay, North Tongue where Jimanolane NDC at Romaberg Apojimu kama mi na Pojima shake mami na fia porque que togba yo doga ne achoronku doku ji so manko ma menye fera ye gugbe ohunku ranyo taima akababa na noton ntomato dogba na honorable do yawa amafaji do Kenya district chief executive na Noston Ntoma ble okujeta blakwa Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa Kenya member of parliament Ntoma to Adamus Resources welcomes government reprieve, reaffirms commitment to sustainable future. Okay, to Koklola Garanya Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Ama Bua to afokbo Adamus resources for Jidu Pong by the Bana Yiko Kokuna Shika, Le Blue Tomera, Uber Open one on no la Samu La Guaroma, Jamata, Omaga Shikaku, Akobara Kuku Trotum Kakako, Cocola John Dramani Mama, Garanyama, I love Gomasa Savava, the Adamus. Attacker Kushika for the next 1 year. Apenyo Makin lands in fresh trouble as he faces investigation after Sami Jemfi accuses him of extorting $1 million. Balabe Apenyo Makin for Kuhyo Jireji Arabe Sami Jemfi ga Fobume Nazabumba Edia yo alobia $1 million are nyama nyanyare ka totolom ya baro magomai no ko ganyi plafa ina mi ke kan nyama araba la ko nyama ka tutu nya amaro gogomba oba ko yoba kibe no nai $1 million alo no nai $1 million aloba yo MPP to yo ka la so tak ba ma yo bon ko cho go bot for agbaru nyanchi or something like that. I don't know how that is true. I don't know how that is true, and I don't want to publish that using our medium as well. Nyamak bombola ba penyo timya $1 million sami je fio do ko ko suba yo ma a blogo go penya nyama nyinto manya ne enya ta ko halo no ko video araka nglede ya nyi araka leta bararaka ikaro penya manjio ramata nyamata ya ndromo funga kan manya susu ikata penyo makin be sami je fio ko ngakore ko ta agbara manyanka Nkatai Africa Today are to angle to the story. Apenyomakin lands in fresh trouble. When the big headline is Apenyomakin sues Sami Jemfrey and 2 others for defamation. Because Magbomoloba extortionist in Apenyomakin, Yita Apenyomakin court him do, Boye Ponkofoli, Malone Kopotomna. Tanen Amago Mao Quay Ponkofoli, ye. So Bane, a leader here, evidence here, but I 1 million. So in the face of proper professional journalism, I won't even go into that angle. All is alleged. Ta Aprimakin, Boblomb, Allo Dumrab, Allo Boomb, Aprimakin. Beya $1 million leroshi ni askobicho go bopanyanchi ka oga bum na zaiba loga donda be apoyo makimbe nyamamalamu itai oida bongo amaro hago gombe nyate pela be na apoyo makina medie gama isa mi figbo ma baba second ma ano go bopanyanchi and all that sounds, excuse me, nonsensical. Apoyo makina is in opposition. He has always been in opposition. Like, I told Fossa, you can yak bro to the camera. Or had a camera. You have parliament here post, a president of our state of the nation address here post. So, this, I'm getting a little bit sick and tired of this nuisance. It's Apoyomaki and Sami Jeffrey are becoming nuisance as far as I'm concerned. As a journalist, is there a loss? Or is there a cost? Is money gone? And if money is gone, is it gone for a just reason? Can I put gather to the Fiade eco number 1.7 billion? You bua. Okay, you would allo zindi, allo you blangamade, and we to which over. That is the conversation. And a guy will blame Makawe, the Mabanagama, for Makawe, the Brashi, the Banote, but Gamara Yinanama. I think that should be a conversation. That's what interests me at this level. The remaining should go to court. Go to court and fight your case. These are 2 lawyers, a senior lawyer and a junior lawyer. These are 2 lawyers go to the bar at different times. So go to court and do the right thing and stop fooling the media. All right. TCDA opens nominations for National Vestry Crops Farmer Award. TCDA opens nominations for National Best Tree Crops Farmer Award. Over wo abota fogana American Tree Crops Farmer America le Ghana kata do nkuchi au tree crop. Tree crop, cocoa is a tree crop. Like bottom achi ke handu duwe. Tree crop, mango is a tree crop. Anchi tree crop. Tree that is a crop at the same time. All right. So now tree crop may not mean only that. Tree crop may mean more than that. I didn't do agri science. So I'm not giving. I would kill myself, and I'm not presuming expertise. But I got my tree crop. All right. Miazorango. Miako daily graphic that. Daily graphic. Foreign direct investment inflows jumped to 2.6 billion after 2-year decline. FDI inflows jumped to 2.62 billion dollars after 2-year decline. So, last year, 254 new and existing investment projects were registered from the 2.62 billion foreign direct investment inflows received in the country, reflecting sustained investor interest in the economy. It follows 5 years of fluctuations in FDI inflow, rising marginally from $1.3 billion in 2021 to $1.35 billion in 2022. Therefore declining Birako bana ya nyinya nhanyana daily graphic wu agbanya ba ocho abatore kaponkoanye Simon Simon Maji I should say enye CEO enye GIPA Birako wogomba gayo kachok batadu koma bana Ghana ajirejiwe 2.62 billion. Foreign direct investment, foreign, but that do call direct. Eva matokonarako investment. Gayo kanya gayo kachu but that do call me over Ghana to come to Ashichacha to Nana to to better to come view to call Jirua Wokata and Chia Ejire. Interior Ministry cracks down on migrant beggars. Interior Ministry cracks down on migrant beggars. Dukokwa ama toke kakbona mia bovi to registra fo dejigbala lokata bla duchi do honya ji boglomba sisia yo black bar ame okanya jo violo beta du kome vio yo kaba diam le siljoji Muntaka Mubarak Muhammad, Minister of Interior, cracks down on migrant beggars. Naida again in the traffic mago after the UPSA Junction, Presec Junction, even Madina Zongo Junction, Opebia 37. Spinters Rupok Barak, Amaru, Fulanyo, Lanyo, the Visu, Onogabian. And Gabiana Bomo Bomoko, Fulanyo, Lanyo, Nigeria Lacho, Sudano Lacho, Egypt Lacho. So, ministry is against that and they're doing something about that. World's largest hospital ship begins free surgery for 4,749 Ghanaians. That's big news. World's largest hospital ship begins free surgery for 6,745 Ghanaians. Over Hikakata for the Meligani Kenya Kojilo Rishi, Varo Ghana, Alawa, Lamasanya, Bokbom, Ghana V, Akbar and Arofa, Andre Blat, Nevo Aton, Akbar, Nalofan, Blan Boton, and that's what we have there. So, Kwabena Minta Kondo, Health Minister, signing the Mentorship Working Conditions Agreement. Okay, Mita Kando, Yame, Kenya, Tongai Malabano, your Tada Maladunia, Tada, I see them, Ghana, Basuba, Bokbergana Bionchi. All right, gratis SIF to train 7,000 women youth gratis SIF to train 7,000 women youth gratis. Young Yaro, young one, young Sodo, the mobile, same doctor, Ghana China trade relations must shift to value addition, Dr. Atofosen. Ghana China trade relations must shift from value addition, Dr. Atofosen. Dr. Atofosen, you don't get a corner. Nyapa Ghana jela Ghana kata gogo do blombe kachicha kala Ghana China duma ajewa wa vide akobele Ghana chow mbabialo alon fo plugbo siabe emi cho nyapa ba khosho la borama so jajam no maji no na shi ble toke kati yoga ke mion to maji ba troshi le ba khoshi monchi alba o khoshat mi ai no jam sigara yebu yoroko vana valo na miafe agbemenko miafe ngadrao jiru bekesino ngo to kpохosio ato yo fo duko ma la shible to keke aji ko tre wa jara mi ga gbogbo ikenye ayenu ona lo manya mu ikeni omi ona manya mu ikeni ona. So according to the Minister of Finance, Ghana-China trade relations must shift to value addition, and I agree absolutely. All right, the Hawk newspaper. The Hawk newspaper. Prisoner joins five-way NPP chairmanship race. Would-to-be faces October 3 election before October 15 bail hearing. Oh, wow, I understand that. Prisoner joins five-way NPP chairmanship race. Want-to-be faces October 3 election before October 15 bail hearing. Oh, okay. I understand that. The Hawk newspaper. Wako yajojo monopo ya gbogbo yo abapo na yajojo to keke sound tomara. Want-to-be bagajembe asoshi manola ne MPP to wo ayova wo dropping job no belie wo negara nyama. Manya ye wong baglo manya yo wole akode prison tano rashenchi alaba ya zero kushima abo minya dongo aba wutu no gwajemba yanye shimanola na MPP to la Ghana kata gogodo ha ramata ayo ba courting jo over $1 ejedo ona ma sesamata o tutu nya ko October 15th. October 15th. Yeah, from Drabe Trogabo. Miaron Cuisine of August plus September in your Mokaka America court dollar. From dollar and Bosan, from dollar there, Alaboka Kawabola Kobo. You must have Bonanyago. Abua MPP to la Ghana kata gogo how do October 3 alo 3rd October wajingwa wa pan ka ton yin ka ko ruba yo dakona imeoka yo fa agbon blong nyagala Ghana kata party bon blong yo party angno na Ghana kata. The chairmanship election will be done on October 3. Want-to-be picks form to become chairman, but he will be in jail till at least 15th of October. Mimanyan talk about 15th of October, ma. O nya yoga awo nya ma dokra ka bi na bela hogo ko. Kakana maudina want to make crowd for bail or bail on October 15th. The election would have been done. And if you have never want to me a chairman, you're gonna MPP Coco Quack, a mouth on your I'll have a prison or Dako. 0242670773 0242670773 and your number. You might go me them would be panyada demo. My now grown from a dromia, mia would 25. Like Baramaka, UP drags Avenue marking to AG, OSP, and police. Demands probe into explosive $1 million extortion claim. UP now, nyemanya UP manya na UP into alo AP alo United Party. So akagbana UP drags aponyumaking. Okpula aponyumaking ko inare Attorney General Boye Chilu Kwasanyala. Ganye oga play ko Office of the Special Prosecutor. Jiru doga ke kuna zaun dudume le Ghana la be sami je vikbo to gbogbombe jagba ba $1 million ade le yoshi alo le Golboshi. That's how it's looking. We are not too sure about that. Focal files for MPP chairmanship today. Eminarefia Paul Afoko ba egba yena yeroki de gafia if dunya haga ato ifan kongono ahon kongono ba suba ya fan kona no mo ka bana ho bigale Ghana katago to washimano la lung no la na party for Chanchame. Osahin runs from Jemfi's court there, says he won't sue sheep stands and riches for Jesus. This is stale. Nia pomila fia tobu saga na court documents yo kawaro mi agbo chogbo. Ni nyabe aponyomakim plus ami Jemfi ko e devo macho. So this is a misrepresentation of the facts. All right, let's leave this paper because of that matter, and let's go to the National Voice. The National Voice. Mohammed's Galamsey double standard exposed. Mohammed's Galamsey double standard exposed. Gbaragbogblombe leyok akpa toni akpa wo ojiba onglunda macho Muhammad kokola John Rawani mama for nyagbati tomo na micho Galamsey jirurunchi agbo ya trotomo fanya oglomo mama Galamsey double standard exposed niyo ka Muhammad bro be wo woke e kemenyo to kokola be mi wo mo vale fia. That is double standard. Agloyi. No row is in a drug agloyi. That's double standard. Barago Blombe Mahama my bloody jagam say Wanyanchi Kongo Bokunyable. Baumia throws weight behind Afenyomaking. Baumia throws weight behind Afenyomaking. Challenges minority to hold government accountable over 22 billion city gold boss losses. All right, Chomikbo ba emono wona o mafia ndi ona mafia elikem chomo bo ba degbe to nambe isebe wa ko makinde gara le jiji aba minority leader da intel alo tofi ko fifina echo en pipi to pa paje we emino ndi ona won chowa ya apoyo makin le ba mi aba pom alo o sabo wa apoyo makin ho gare de yo NPP to yo so takwa ham $1 million ko so ba yo shiri le go bo panyan aka apoyo makin ba sami jen fi ba mo ga choga na apoyo makin fo so se ta wa pa do remata takwa pa regime le ba mi aba pom kenan ka kawunwa o apoyo makin de gara le shiji magbene maka ban mai mo it's not possible yamanya ka chonya mo but it doesn't make economic sense ba o nyama la fuma to gra na fuma mara kamaga amagara mo kwisaba enye economics bag baraka ro nyami wo mo la ro la ba o na mo popo na so donado da MPP to kon kwevi samra apoyo ba o nyanchi bo ba mi abu president MPP to ko nyama mo kata in general a surveys of polls yo kata mo la barum jibe amo jokpomre mahama kwa dona nchi dane aponyo make nyamre kai ke bakplan ble NDC to the parliament Mujaga dono fodono takire mote yemi vadia tell me onto me onya ma you stay in opposition for long. That was my answer to Elikem Chobabo. And the paper is corroborating that Baumia throws weight behind Apanyomakin, challenges minority to hold government accountable over 22 billion Ghana CD gold board losses. All right, so gold board war explodes. Apanyomakin drags Sami Jemfi to court. Gold board war explodes. Apanyomakin drags Sami Jemfi to court. Balabaya, the gold board, agafla. You see, Sami Jemfi, bare. So, Apanyomakin. For Sanyalo Boye Sami. So those are interesting things to consider and look at later. All right, the dispatch. Mahama intervenes to save Adamus 9 government 6-1-year turnaround plan. Mahama intervenes to save Adamus mine government 6-1-year turnaround plan. Mahama Yara Adamus on Yaman. You can say Adamus no galamse kumple no nano kama je tomato kula to hiumo nyaro so da e ka so gbogbo ogba na so jiru aye o shikaku nyaoji ya jiru do maka kakuna yama ji kanye bua as Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, very much balance, you know, boko kama magrenya Ambo nyablon fuva engineers and planners yile damine miner engineers and planners ikenye Ibrahim Muhammad kukwala oche shikaku fa dopo ne kagere shikaku kuma yali yo maroto blam ha klatoko ola jibuko mi ba saba mama gare nyama tafifia Adamu satai yo doji aba shikaku do kana ka yo biaba no na yo plan for ka yo for turnaround plan la ko ngo ga ngona troy do fa mama no ya na for ka gaba ye mi o ko pomba nyang bagblon along bagblon cho do fa anchi o ma to shin cho ko ko to fa nyaro IGP Tete Yohono urges religious leaders to use sermons to promote peace and prevent conflicts. IGP Tete Yohono urges religious leaders to use sermons to promote peace and prevent conflicts. Tete Yohono ikanya IGP Jiru Famaga ikanya Bobito Famaga Katakataka Ghana Jiho. One other time out of Commissioner of Police on IGP Tete Yohono Boblomba I'm looking no law knows of Maunya Boblo or Tomafa French to call me. Nanya Monya Glalum, no lara, no phone, Amigio, Mufuna, Uchifafa, Magakum, walk out there at Tamanama, wherever we Barato. Reverend Wingham, re-elected General Superintendent of Assemblies of God, Paul Afoko files for MPP National Chairmanship today, likely to win. Okay, Banaba Paul Afoko, Atandruji, Agba Paul Afoko in Agbana Chogaba, no China as a chairman of the party. Out of a hang of Steve Wingham, Jaka, as Assemblies of God, General Superintendent. The National Inquirer, how Abu Jinapo became the conveyor belt, how Abu Jinapo became the conveyor belt for Angela Lee's takeover of Adamus Resources. Over Abu Jinapo, Angela Lee's to Afi Adamus Resources. Adamus Resources. You know, Abu Jinapo was then minister. All right, Adamus Resources, farms of government reprieve. Ike Mahama Gere Adamus Resources Tonyama, of course, or that Peninsula. Alhaji Lotto Hot as NLA workers demand his removal. Alhaji Lotto Hot as NLA workers demand his removal. da me Mohammed Abdul bom le fia ke nye domoga ne NL ya National Lottery Authority o domevio we no dira menu Kumasi gets Ultra-Burden Minerals Commission Office O2 Shikaku do fua takbo fua alojera kare kuwashing tome Customs car auction route exposed as buyers lament chassis disputes registration delays. Okay, Mikbo acting customs commissioner no matata FIA. Okay, kira ko wombe auction. Na jiru la buare Kenya toko wo cho Ghana ko mo tax na lo duty na o mo ajoga ko bo khere kwata o chutu bi to segbe ba gare ho but o to number gara number dare je bo nyakura kwa yo ba li le fiare abe asikumalo dabalalo custom inland custom post the share uru na shigwaji alabo biana make no kwa to maneva ngo no ba khaga kple penalty o po penalty ni no te khaga mokata ko ke kho balanzo go rashi wanchini wana mashilo vovomlo aloma boga no ba kho anka kabu liva yao chona anyama dana ya jojo garo mo boyo ko jaga gbanjo ka me o ke ba be o player ashiko kare kwanwa e ko zero a shani dana magbanto kashi be aplo zero e kwa 2000 ye me shama zero bia no nya shi ha mara jiko ko je 2000 bona mo 2000 ma go mana 2002 mara mana 2005 mara mana 2003 mana 4000 mara mana 45 ala bo kwa nyopa produce makpo shinte kokpo mara mana 15000 who back 16000 buka ocean mole Range Rover Sport Evoque a Range Rover Sport over 16000 machine ba jiro ri gaji mapa auctioneer me Kenya jiro do feta no like pona jaja lo fisno mu jaja ne vom binya auctioneer ameke jalan de jiro de na vom chona ga kona na bo Marco Mila ko be going 1 2 3 gbogbo yo nya to ha ma nya jiro tiangule amara custom top officer top man kita mila ngba ko cho Range Rover blibo cho dash na am bana cho je agbanjo kake problem alo un ponto ro waji mafuma afia bono waji gwo no ba ko gwo chassis number ro mo bana o cho pere kwa majo afia ba maro mo ko do mi ambale ko woni channel cha mi abo custom to wo for of man cho to ya ta bo mo la bo bito un fiti mo ya mo kaka customs car auction route exposed as buyers lament chassis disputes registration delays. Ya buarola umulan kura fon nyo kparabadi chassis number ya gwaji ya ba yo ware jeshi de number e ko dai gwaji inji Nigeria aso pe jeshi de number e kala fanchia buaro ba oro inji hubo ko ba to inji dare ji beto ayo bolan ko ka tanchi ayo kwa jara alo bu ja ko wa kenya kasia inji na number zake mi alo ko body number zake mi la ba chogba no na mo bu ba ko aho no ba lo plaque ya ko de gwaji le divia de ko abazuna kuchi problem so left my so no that has to be addressed Makajiba solely you go do your problem solve your problem upon Foso engages NDC Western caucus ahead of formal declaration upon Foso gbagbaje be azu ejimano ane NDC to le Eastern region ma share onko eta ko mo town. All right, the spider cash-trapped House of Chiefs grounds justice, cases shelved indefinitely. Cash-trapped House of Chiefs grounds justice, cases shelved indefinitely. Oh, Fiakia Kwame Fiaga Maria Kenya, president of the Eastern Regional House of Chiefs, Nene Sakite. Nene Sakite, no matter if Kenya, Rajapon Thomas, Fia How, Bobo, Jimano Lauber, Ola Mabo, Gamelio Choto, Tanya Shanya Kalama. Cash-strapped House of Chiefs grounds justice, cases shelved indefinitely. Nyashanya kele anibanya of yanya kata kele Rejeponto ama ike ni tete sakitenya shimano lana alo presidana All right, extortion allegations against Afenyomakin. What we know so far. So you can go get that one. I don't know. Sack him now. NLA workers tell Muhammad to fire boss over cuts over body gangma apma you could oh dushimara do alhaji ala uba mama ne rashi pariman shara when come NLA to loto da do for domagaima mararamnyo. Ghana's silent killer. Ghana's silent killer 94,400 deaths a year as experts demand war on chronic disease. Ghana's silent killer 94,400 deaths a year as experts demand war on chronic disease. How an NDC daughter got the reprieve won't me never did. How an NDC daughter got the reprieve won't me never did. A tale of two mining leases and the politics of selective enforcement. Barely 2 years after the Akufo-Addo administration faced widespread condemnation for shielding Chairman Wuntumi's Akonta mines from the full rigors of the law, the Mahama government now finds itself entangled in an eerily similar controversy, this time involving Adamus Resources Limited, a company with direct familial ties with a leading figure of the ruling establishment. All right, Mkwangela lisono tatara fuma yikenye Adamus stop domagalefia uwagomba akuvuma pode ik dukwakula hoho ananado danko Akufo-Addo Williams dogoleji malabobo jiru ye alakpokpombe anyakure sama boy akunta mai ikenya wuntu me for shika kudo panchela bo boku galamse abo dukwakula hoho blobe nana kemo le fiare ke kero pejiwe akunta mai no galamse kumo nyama ma nana ro dan Akufo-Addo ma abo koshida ke ba ibo fira bo nga kunya ma ngalan kuran nyam nana do dan Akufo-Addo clear akunta mai hoho, but they are not involved in the government at that time. Ka agba over want to me la mobile over illegal money. Ka amare hanye nyobi je tugbe ale fia e ha over illegal money. Ta ho license selection. No, I'm a illegal money. You hold license selection minister. Pay the jeshiba illegal money. You hold license selection. Come on, only pata ko. Non vija to bound at and right here more. Mrs. Sambe over to Copola, you need for a cabo or go and get every woman want to me for a car of a Rojimama Dentra, Rojima Tombo or a Bible bomber. A tale of two mining leases and the politics of selective enforcement. A tale of two mining leases and the politics of selective enforcement. The paper describes this as selective enforcement. Mikatami kwelengi pia nyajogo domi mene. Nyajogo le nyaof asibili malete. Minyabe oba Adamus oko license leshi koshira venya ono yamapli vazu dora ala bobo garansion. Tang market bra wojibo le nyonvia. Ala be hana no dachano habano. To be what to couple lab univerta to pumbline the couple lab pumbline no yet to be paper be that is selected just a yashi chachana shima nyatefuma tomato. All right, Miazorango. Mia Delegate. Afenyomakin sues over extortion allegations. MPP's PSP model vindicated. NPP's PSP model vindicated. Upon Kuma no Tatarefia will remember a Works and Housing Minister, Mercury Panel TV. Ye brother Afi Saglement for Hoyoka Tung Jirubale, Jirubanto, Mahamod Jirubanto Jet to Goma. Now I want your PSP, which is Public Sector Partnership. Public sector partnership or private sector partnership should be private sector partnership. Wherever it is, the public and the private sector is actually supposed to be public sector partnership. Private sector, yeah, it's private sector partnering the government. So private sector partnership, private sector partnership, private sector partnership. Private sector partnership. You bulomosio, alo yo jagom ka onyo ka tema omwa le fiata. Upon Kumaeo fi Tofinami Choba Ubanakogadare so it was all over on NDC platforms. Upon Kuma will be the next minority leader, and I have all that information, and I disagree. It don't make sense. Anyway, let's go ahead. GSA begins mandatory used vehicle pre-export inspection October 1. Tamikbo Professor George EJ, Director General Nola Ghana Standards Authority of Obloma Fifia, Jiru Dama Tumabe, for Jimo Wapa Bantoko, Ukrio Korea, Tonkley Wonga Canava, Aviakra, Ujanku, the Ganyam, of Yokatan, Ravam Cho, Porto, Yonkulomosi. October 1, Bing, a tubler Mapu, Bagbana Chovero, or Joe Mato, I was scrapped. All right, I think these are the things we have here. NLA staff strike over salary increment. Okay, all right, that's fine. I think we'll leave that. National Lottery Authority of Kukio, Naro, Loji, Lopa, Matma, Beto, over Tongarola, Dario for 2G. That's the story, yeah. All right, I end with a chronicle. My won't play chronicle. Quickly, I will end with a chronicle. Osahin on extortion allegation. I am ready to face OSP. Sues Sami Jemfi. Sami Jemfi is in more trouble as equally as Afemaki. You don't have peace. So Sami Jemfi dead. Afemaki sues him. Le news file G Sami Jemfi when Afemaki Yamchuko. Na sama yo bona sam salary ayen anybody. Yeah, kind of you Afemaki on Brana Afemaki, but yeah, you something that but Afemaki. Na you know, your na ya would turn as a lawyer. Afemaki will phone that Afemaki, but you are joking. So Osahin on extortion allegation, I'm ready to face OSP. That's another like I will remember over Afemaki for $1 million. I'm not afraid. You can send me to wherever you like. All right, Baumia to minority, stay focused on 1.7 billion loss. Perfect, absolutely. Stay focused on 1.7 billion loss. Baumia from minority, but a guy boo for your bronze, Mirashi, Dodoramian, no book, I think there's absolutely pray in place, and that's good. Okay, and Ghana government puts Ghana gas on new path. Ghana government puts Ghana gas on new path. I think that's another interesting link there. Over Ghana gas, you can do double ekmona nyaf Goya for nyaoji Blomba. Jirua, Arobo, Jirua, Ghana gas and she. No, we've got Dora Cavaro. So we appreciate the government for that. Many Lamhado, O Cocom, and Matututa, Agbato, ni Saga, Afia, Irako, Alo, Mia, Akbu message, Cavaro, Pecho, Mianovia, Tonro Boko, Mia. Ŋdi Wɔna Akwachi. Don't you Tony McBoy, ye plummy 0242670 number I can attach or check up a claim never experiment. le wɔna ƒe you know tutuɖo ne miakpɔ ne miatsi wɔna nali kawo tsã miakpɔ ne miatsi ale be miate ŋu gakeke miaƒe Ŋdi Wɔna ɖe tawo tsã kple gawo mi va mi xɔ ga aƒu le Ewenyigba TV yi ke le exɔ le Jim Sugar Hostel. No gblɔm na ame aɖe be Ewenyigba TV exɔ le lo amewo nu sem be exɔ le enye kpekpenu yi ke nata na mi pep mi de Mary le adenta ɖo message na Mary ƒe message le mia gbɔ ɖa mi kpo yi ke gblɔm Mary le Mary is always listening to me, and I appreciate you a lot for always commenting. Mary, a shy Mary, Ronanyanadam. So I want to quickly look at that, and we will be getting ready to bring the show to an end. Okay. Ne message already and no screen ajimako. Mary la denta do message now. And Mary, brother Tony, God bless you for your good work. More wisdom. Brother Tony, God bless you for your good work, more wisdom. Okay, Mary, mauna yam the donuika wame mileta akbeno the message matter. Thank you for your message. Sang konya shai to adenta nya ejoji number and on akachacha makakrim akbeno pa. All right, miakbo togwiga Volta and Nas in her do message now. Togwiga Volta and Nas do message now. Let's look at that very quickly. Togwiga Volta and Nas do message down. And let's look at that. And we'll quickly be bringing down the curtains to the transmission. All right, me for a message that we got a message that, and we got some going to tema. I love blackachi in a letama, vakachi in a letama. All right, wow, brother Tony, great job. God bless you more. Okay, we got some young coach tema. Maone yami le Ewenyigba TV afia dakbana maode doganke wom o le to miaji hata. Okay, my photo Emmanuel for message. Emmanuel for message. Good morning everyone in this house. All is well. I hope all is well for everyone. That's a message from Emmanuel. All right, Evan Polo. Manye yido chacha mancho agbepo na gbanya mpopo mo la gbonyo awonye kakole zokwaji nyala moroko ko hauta masa gbatorafia akoga sheke na mawe echo magami bono Tony Magboye from nke kama na nyone mikata. Bye bye.
No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary aka so afi e passe ke. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view can le basic level. And you know American le SHS. And you know American le university. Allo le language yo. Nenya make manya be view. E be a strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I'm a Siamese Canadian for the Mochura Po, and be a strong work by her. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know, Mama. Nella Dilla was so mad than a player. I place order le Amazon. A low number can I follow screen idea. Open to me to the can also, but if you see a canela, Yako no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua Coveno, no silence ever English dictionary. And you talk.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506. Looking to ship products
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afienye nyongo kple ntuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel but tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let's go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, you to Boye. I tell too much ready toy. Boye's kple.
Oh.
Never for fun. Never got too much to move. I'm not go.
That another Abraham if you better kind of lay a party to point for Boye. But the husband that did not fear. Coco in a dinner for Ewenyigba, Yapan or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party for Yahokatara.
Well, I'm not Chico.
Vai, but I cannot sugo. In the big that is the Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
Why vola togo? You man no Chicago, Mokung Jaja.
Vola chika no pla na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
Nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fofo jijila ama
This vola piki. Vola baby.
Ma una yura vola to ona una masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli dagba wa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa badashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina ne miayi vola basenta afima mi apota yo la nyadeba vola
If you follow, I probably left food now. I left food now. Don't do the food now. I cheat the Padaka. Put on my cata. Mother don't want you to. I did my clonova. I left full of Heba Center. You can let them go upload. Victoria Parker. I feel like a photo. What to a camera? What put on? What come? Who come to do Docata? Vola Heba Center. Dr. Prosper Deveneva. Come on.
vola
donc jiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no na ma vi kple de fi o mo hofo wi afo
Nane